Alright, this is the first port that I'm doing. I've already started. You can see where I still need to do a little bit on here. And then the bottom part I'm going to save for last. So I'm going to do this to all the ports. You can see the difference of how this one looks, which I'm not done. I still have to hit here, up here, and smooth it all the way around. This is what it looks like, just with a wire brush, the wire wheel. And it's a brass wire wheel, so it doesn't cut into the aluminum. So now back to grinding. So I think that's the best one so far. Like I said, the more I do it, the more comfortable I get. Cylinder 4, cylinder 3, cylinder 2, and cylinder 1. You can still see there's a bunch of garbage in there. So the chamber part still needs to be cleaned on all these. And on this one, you can start to see the piston. Still has a lot of carbon buildup. The top's not that bad. I'm going to remove the studs so they're out of the way. Then I'm going to make sure the surface is perfectly flat. So far what I've cleaned. And then, so you can kind of see a comparison. And just wiping with a paper towel. As soon as I go over. Alright, there's that one. It's taken me about a day to do each one, and I already moved it to where these pistons were top dead center, so well, as close as I can to top dead center. Make it a little bit easier to clean.